everybody.
Yeah, so we're not going to say our YouTube channel's name because we actually don't know what our YouTube channel's name. So that's what we're doing here today. We're going to ask Alexa if she can name our YouTube channel. If she says, I don't know if I can answer that, we're going to name that for 3 days. You guys, it's going to be fun. Okay. So the other boys are playing Splatoon right now if you guys want to see. Alright, so
Get out here.
now we're gonna
Oh my god!
Alright, we're over here now.
Those are the boys.
I know they're all the boys right there. They spoke it. Alright. So we're gonna about to ask Alexa. That's right. Here. So ready? We're about to ask Alexa. What is it?
Okay, never mind. Never mind.
Alright, you try. Never mind.
No countdown.
Hey Alexa, what is a good channel name?
Okay, Alexa. List good channel names.
This might answer your question. I know about a number of TV channels, including Spectrum Local Game 6.
Wow.
What? BIG-10-3.
Which one should we name it? Oh my gosh, guys.
Telemundo. I want.
No, not
I want.
here.
I want.
Here.
You guys can see that, right?
Can you see this? No.
I won.
Can you see it?
Look at that.
Oh my goodness, look at that. What is this? Hey!
Oh, 4 minutes.
You wanted minutes. Alright, so those are the answers. So, oh my gosh, guys. Which minutes? You see this?
Wow, there's wow. Should we do wow?
Should we do wow? Wait, how about we do one of the bad ones?
I won.
How about
I won.
YBX.
I won.
Okay, so I think.
won.
Alright, so we're gonna name this channel for about good 5 days or maybe so, or maybe like when we get to make the next YouTube video. Oh my gosh, we're gonna. Oh, how about this way? Alexa,
Already?
list bad channel names.
I'm not sure.
What? We have to name it. I'm not sure.
Yep. Okay, guys, that's what we're gonna name it. But also, we should do something else for this video. I have no idea what to do.
You just do something like.
Do you wanna Wait, how about we ask Alexa like. This is really nice to see it. Oh my gosh, so we're at a different house. Oh, how about we go say hello to Luna.
Uncle Marie. Oh yeah, come on. Uncle Marie, don't defeat them.
Oh my gosh, you're pink. You're pink.
You guys want to be in the video? Come on.
Come on. We got a visitor. Oh yes. We got a visitor. Oh my gosh, she got a. Oh yeah, she's gonna try to eat it. Luna, come on, say hi.
Oh my gosh.
Luna.
I don't know how to come back from here.
Oh, look at this.
Am I good?
Yes,
you
you
are.
Oh my gosh. Like, if I try to move, like, she's gonna try to get me.
Luna, don't eat it! Don't eat the camera! Don't eat the camera!
Alright, so this is kind of like a dog video where you get to see everything about a dog. Oh my gosh. Oh, look, look, look.
Hi! Say
Not
hi!
that dog. Not that dog. So that's your favorite toy?
You can do some
Oh my gosh.
tricks.
Oh my gosh. Is that okay?
What happened?
Wait, put it back up. Put it like a look.
What's there?
Here.
What's this?
Like 2 inch tire.
She's just sitting there.
Stand up. Stand up.
She's so cute.
Alright. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Like, say hi to camera. Say hi. Say hi.
What?
Say hi. Stop. Okay. Like, okay. Stand up. Stand up. Alright, Luna, stay over here. I'm gonna make her stand up to say hi to you. Hey, she's gonna say she's hi. Oh my gosh. You want this? You want this? Hey, say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Sit down. Orange.
Here, can I? Yeah, go ahead. Alright.
Yeah.
So,
Say hi.
now.
Say
Oh, that was
hi.
great. Oh my gosh. Put it away. Put it away. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, this is chaotic. Oh my gosh. This is now the new screen. Let's have video. Now she's staying. She's tired. Put a toy away. Put a toy away. Oh my gosh, she's gonna get angry. Oh my gosh. Here.
My mom.
Wait, turn it to me so like we can be over here.
Alright, we can't turn it to my
Welcome
mom.
back, guys. Now it's been finished.
Yeah.
And Alexa. And now we have to name our channel. I don't know that. So, you guys, please, if you have not watched this, just say. I don't know if I don't know that. So we're gonna name that. Subscribe, like, and comment if we make another dog video. Chaos.
Yeah, dog. Okay, okay, yeah, we're
Yeah.
gonna finish up.
Actually, should we make another video today?
Yeah, let's make another dog video today.
Yeah, we're gonna make another
Later,
one.
yeah.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
and
Make sure you watch the other one that we're
This
gonna
is
almost
very
make.
daily. This is daily video. Bye bye.
Bye. And don't worry about the Splatoon on the back. That's just the boys playing their play date. Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Make sure you subscribe.